Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the splash screen for any portable apps application. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I'll be using Audacity, a powerful and free portable audio editor. As always, head over to portableapps.com to download the software. Once you have it downloaded, we can move on to the next steps. Once you've downloaded the file, install the PAF file, which simply unpacks the software. By default, the splash screen appears every time Audacity is started. Now, let's see how to get rid of this splash screen for a smoother startup experience. First, navigate to the other folder, then open the source subfolder. Inside, you'll find a file named portable.ini. Copy that file and paste it into the root folder where the application you want to hide the splash screen for is located. This step is essential for configuring the app settings too. Open the ini file in any text editor. Look for the setting related to disabling the splash screen. You'll find a line that says Disable Splash Screen. Change the value from false to true. This simple adjustment will prevent the splash screen from appearing the next time you launch Audacity. After saving the changes to the ini file, there's one more detail to take care of. The ini file must have the same name as the application. Copy the name of the app and rename the ini file accordingly. This is crucial for the settings to take effect properly. Once you've done that, you're all set. The splash screen is gone for good. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.